Hi guys, in this video we're looking at solving simultaneous equation. Let's look at our first example here. So when we're solving simultaneous equation, we will be having two equations like this one. This is x plus y is equal to 1, and then we have 3 equal to y minus 2x. So we want to find two unknown variables, of which is x and y. So we want to solve for x and y. So the first step here is to let x is to equate the equation such that you have x equal to something or you have y equal to something. So you see, from this first equation here, we can call this our equation 1 and this our equation 2. Equation 1, we can say x is equal to 1 minus y, and we can call this our equation 3. Or let's write, or we can say y is equal to 1 minus x and call this our equation 3. So you don't have to do it both, you just choose one. Let's say I choose to work with this first one, right? So this means I will have now 3 equations. I will have x plus y equal to 1, and I will have 3 equal to y minus 2x, and I will have x equal to 1 minus y. So I'm saying that this is 1, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3, right? Okay, so I need to sub equation 3. So I need to substitute equation 3 into equation equation 2. Okay, so we're working with these two equations here. So equation 2 is like we have 3 equal to y minus 2x. So to say x equal to 1 minus to say x is equal to y minus 1, it means wherever from this equation 3 here, wherever I see x, I put this 1 minus y, right? So from equation 2 we have 3 equal to y minus 2. Okay, there's 2x, so instead of x now I'm putting 1 minus y. Okay, that therefore I will have 3 equal to y minus 2, because 2 times 1 is minus 2, and minus 2 times positive y, that gives us positive 2y. Then we need to solve for y now. So we're taking minus 2 to the other side. It's 3 plus 2 is equal to 1y times y plus 2y is 3y, right? It's 3y. So now what we're getting is that 5 is equal to 3. 5 is equal to 3y. Then we can divide by 3. That therefore y is equal to 5 over 3. But we still have to find our x. We still have to find what is x. So to find x, because we got y, we have to come back to our equation 1 here where we started. So let's say we know what is y, so we still have x is equal to 1 minus y. So this is the same as 1, because our y, we know that our y is 5 over 3. Okay, this is nothing but we look at 1 here. So you're looking at 3 minus 5 over 3. This is nothing but minus 2 over 3 is our x there. So we're done solving simultaneous. This was our first example. Let's try to look at the second example. Okay, let's look at this one. Let's look at this one here, example 2. So here we have minus 3y. Minus 3y is equal to 3 minus 5x minus 5x. Then our next equation is x is equal to minus 4y minus 4. Correct. So you see, in this case we already given that is equation 1 and that is equation 2. So we already given that x is equal to that. So let's just substitute equation 2 into 1. So what we do, we have minus 3y from our first equation here. Minus 2y is equal to 3 minus 5. Wherever I see x, I put minus 4y minus 4. Minus 4y minus 4. Alright. So we have minus 3y is equal to 3 positive, because minus 5 times minus 4, that should give us positive 20y, positive 20y plus 20, which is positive as well. So you see, now we can easily take, so we can say we have 20 minus 3y is equal to 23 plus 20y. Yes, we can do that, and we can take our y or 20y to the other side. So we'll have minus 23y is equal to 23. We divide by minus 23, divide by minus 23. So what we're getting is that our therefore our y is nothing but equal to minus 1. So once we know what is our y, we can then find our x from equation 2. So therefore our equation 2 was x equal to minus 4y minus 4. So we know what is y. We can simply say this is minus 4 into minus 1 minus minus 4. That therefore this is positive 4 minus 4, of which is 0. So our x is 0. So we have found x and y. Let's try to look at another example as well. Let's try okay, let's look at this example 3. Okay, so in this case we have 20x minus 3y, 20x minus 3y equal to 5, and we have 3x minus 2y equal to minus 2y equal to 20. So what do we do here? We have 2x minus 2y equal to 5, and we have 3x minus 2y equal to 20. Then what can we do? If you look at it carefully, you can try to divide by 2 all throughout from equation 1. If you're looking at equation 1, or you're looking at equation 2, or else you can say equation 2 minus equation 1. What about that? Can we try that? Let's see what we get. equation 2. So if we're trying to do that, it means we're saying that 3x minus 2x, 3x minus 2x, that gives us x, and then to say minus 2 minus 3, so minus 2 minus 3, so we'll have something like minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3. Yeah, that is what will happen. So this would be positive because it's positive, so you'll be left with minus 2 plus minus 2 plus 3, hence this is positive y, right? This is positive y, and then this is nothing but 15, equal to 15, because 20 minus 5 is 15, right? So we can call this our equation 3. This can remain the same as 15 minus y. This is the same thing, right? So okay, let's start. Now we know what is our x. Let's look at substituting equation 3 into equation 1. Okay, so equation 3 into equation 1, what can we do here? We can say 2 into 15 minus y minus 3y is equal to 5. So we just substituted x from equation. We're just looking at equation 1. Okay, so this should give us 30 minus 2y minus 3y equal to 5. So what is there? In this case, we should have minus 5y. You can see that from minus 2 minus 3. And then we have this 30. If we take it to that side, we have 5 minus 30. So simple, we should have minus 5y equal to minus 25, right? Divide by 5 both sides, actually by negative 5 both sides, and we should get y is equal to 5. We got our y is equal to 5. Let's come to our x here. So we have 15 minus our y, of which is 5. So our x is 10. Yes, we're done. I think this was a short way. Instead of trying maybe to divide by 2, don't introduce, try to avoid fractions. It can become more complicated, but this way it can work. And thank you very much for watching. So that's it on our simultaneous equation. Thank you.